If your service business is generating inquiries, but the high value repeat clients keep choosing someone else, the problem is rarely your pricing or your skill. It is more often, it's the headlines and the messaging that you're putting out there in front of them. The words you use in your videos, your LinkedIn posts, your proposals, and your emails they're either positioning you as a clear, trusted expert, or they are quietly signaling that you are just another option. Well, today I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step framework that I use with service business owners to write and post headlines that consistently attract and close high-value clients. If you're a home service provider, if you're a consultant, a coach, therapist, accountant, or any professional who delivers real service to clients, this is for you. You've already proven that you can deliver the results. Now the goal is to make sure that the right clients recognize you. They recognize you the moment that they see your content. Now, I've worked with service professionals they're stuck at the mid-tier projects until they fixed a few specific messaging gaps. And once they changed how they wrote and posted their headlines, their content, their quality inquiries shifted. More decision makers, more repeat work, and more projects that actually match the value that they bring. And by the end of this video, you will have a practical framework that you can use this week on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, even in your client proposals. So let's get to it. Most service business owners write headlines the way that they would talk to peers. They use industry language, vague promises, or features instead of outcomes. And that creates three expensive gaps in their communication. Ideal clients don't feel understood. You attract price shoppers instead of people who value expertise. And high value clients who could become long-term relationships, they never raise their hand because nothing in your messaging speaks directly to the real problem that they're trying to solve. And I have seen this with HVAC companies, financial advisors, business coaches, landscapers. It's the same pattern. The work is excellent. The work that you do is fantastic, but the headlines are generic. The fix is not some clever wordplay. It's clarity, it's specificity, it's speaking the language that your clients are already using when they describe their problem. So here, my friends, is the exact process. Step one, you want to start with the real client language, not your service description. Pull at least 5 conversations that you had with ideal clients. What exact phrases did they use when they were trying to describe the frustration that they're experiencing or the goal that they want? Write those phrases down. Your headline should contain their words, not your own. Here's an example for a consultant, okay? Instead of strategic business advisory services, use something closer to this. How to stop losing high margin clients after the first project. Then step 2, name the specific high stakes outcome. High value clients buy results that protect or grow something important to them. Time, reputation, revenue, risk reduction, peace of mind. Your headline must point to that outcome. So here's a weak example. 5 tips for better project management. Here is a stronger example. How service business owners can protect profit margins on every job without working longer hours. There's a big difference between those two. And then step 3 is add quiet authority without sounding salesy. You don't need to shout credentials. Simply signal that you have solved this for people like them. Phrases such as, the approach I use with my clients, what's working right now for, or the framework that consistently delivers, those things work well, especially when they're true. And then step 4, make it searchable and scannable. On YouTube and LinkedIn, ideal clients are often searching for solutions. Include the problem or the desired result in the first half of the title. And keep it under 60 or 70 characters when it's possible, so it doesn't get cut off. And then step 5 in this, match the platform and the intent. YouTube is great for educational and outcome-focused results. LinkedIn, professional insight and peer-level language. Facebook, slightly warmer, but still specific. Proposals or emails, even more direct, man. Speak directly to the exact situation that prospect described. If you're serious about attracting higher value clients and growing your business, comment the word ready, READY below. I will send you my free links to improve your existing channel using free, user-friendly AI tools that will help you kickstart your content into high gear. All right, so let's get into this. Writing the headline is only half the work. Posting it effectively, it matters. On YouTube, you've got to pair a strong title with a professional thumbnail that shows you in a exact work context, clean text that restates the core promise. On LinkedIn, lead with the headline as the first line, then deliver immediate value in the first 3 sentences. Test one variable at a time, change the outcome statement or the client language, and notice which versions bring in the better inquiries. Consistency also beats volume. That's one of the rules that I wanted to hit on. One well-written headline posted in the right place outperforms 10 generic ones. The service providers I work with who see the biggest shift, they treat every piece of content as a quiet demonstration of their expertise. The headline is simply the invitation. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Using jargon your clients never say. Focusing on what you do instead of the result that they want. Making the headline about you instead of the client situation. Being so broad that it could apply to any service business. Forgetting to update old content when you refine your messaging. Fix these and you remove the friction that currently costs you high-ticket repeat relationships. You already have the expertise. The missing piece for many service business owners is simply making sure that the right clients can see it clearly the moment they encounter your content. So use the 5-step framework this week. Take one existing video, title, or LinkedIn post and rewrite it using real client language and a specific high-value outcome. Then post it. In the description below, you will find a link to download my blueprint package. It is a complete set of documents, worksheets, checklists, and PDFs that I use for myself and every client that I work with. It'll help you implement everything that we covered today more systematically. And if this was helpful, let me know in the comments which type of headline you're going to rewrite first. And if you want the free tools, the free AI tools and resources, as I mentioned earlier, just comment the word ready in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping in today.